Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issues number 93, 94 and 95 of Build Your Own Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 by our good old friends over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this 1/6 scale model. Right, let's have a scoot through the magazines. You've got the Shelby Mustang there, classic recreations. Beautiful colours there. Issue 93, you get the left side of the engine block, which is a bit of a looky-loo issue, folks. Got some details there on the engine bay. You've then got some half tracks, cross-country vehicles, various different half tracks. I like that one, the Ripsaw EV2, mean and menacing. So that's that one. Issue 94 comes along with the Ferrari American made for the United States, which is the 340. Some more Ferraris there, a 342 and a 410. You then got the right side of the engine block as well as a filter. Going to be putting that on. Then you got some rally stories there of the Fiesta 1600 and 2000. Looking rather beautiful. The Puma there, the full Puma. And then some more there with the Fiesta Super 2000s. And then in issue number 95, you've got Gregario's Mustang. Love that colour. Nice little concept. Then look at the hair. How different that looks. Spectacular, isn't it? You've then got exhaust manifolds going on today on that. And your dipstick tube, showing you very clearly there how you orientate the parts on the engine and get it fitted. You then got the V8 mid-engine, the GT Mark V, nice picture again of the engine there, nice little engineer's diagram there of the GT40. And the winning car of the 66 Le Mans was a GT Mark II. So that's all them magazines done. So we'll put them to one side and we'll come back and do a bit of assembly, folks, okay? And that's those two parts there. And then in this issue, we have got this section here is going to go on just on there like that. And that's going to be retained in place with a PS20 screw. So we'll have a bit of that going on. So let's just locate that in its correct spot. Somewhat like so. Let's grab the screwdriver and a bit of oil. Like that. Put the screw in first, I think. We'll go for an alignment of the pin and the screw head at the same time. There you go. So that's that on. So that's that one done. So let's have a look at what else we've got. Let's have a look at issue 95 as well. There you go. Which is the header pipes. So we'll have a bit of that. So that's what we've got there. Open up our screws. What do we got? PS20s. Have a load of that in there. Right. Now it's telling us we want this half and we want that part of the exhaust. And it's going to go on there like so. And it should be marked with an R. Let's just check. Yes, it is. And it's going in with PS28s. So let's have a go at these. Bit of oil. Like that. And we're going in there. Just like so. Same again. Okay, we'll use that one. Bit of oil. And again, we'll go with one in there. Line them up, make sure they're sitting correctly, which they are. Fully tighten them now, like that. So that's that one done. We then want to do the same now on the other side. So we want some more PS28 screws. We'll grab a bit more oil. Use some of that. Straight in there. Try again. There you go. And we'll have that one on there. Just like so. There you go. So that's those done. And then we want the dipstick tube to go in. It can only go the one way according to that, which is that way. So let's find my spudger or spudginess. Go. And that's how that sits. So that's what we've got now at the end of this issue, folks. We have got both halves of our engine block looking rather suave, like so. So we'll leave that one there. Don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to the DeAgostini website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful partwork. Also, to help me out, you can just give little Fester a click in the corner and subscribe to the channel. Massively appreciate it. Ring the bell whilst you're there. Select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. Thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.